the warm-up for today. The graph shows how the cost of a corporate team building event depends on the number of attendees. What is the rate of change? So I look at this, making sure I realize that the Y's are going up by tens. They are not going up by ones. So I'm going to draw my triangle because that goes through a pretty point. Okay, goes from 10 to 30. Sorry about that. So that goes up 20. On the bottom, this also goes up by tens, so that's 10. So my slope is 20 over 10, which means that that is 2. Okay, so now we're going to look at this graph. Write the equation for the relationship shown in the graph. Start your equation with y first, followed by the equal sign. So y equals. So first things first, I need to find the slope. Noticing that these are going up by 100, they are not going up by ones. This is a pretty point. This is a pretty point. So how far up did it go? It went from 0 to 400, so it up 400. Now going across this direction, look, these are going up by hundreds also. So this went over 100. So my slope for this is going to be 400 over 100, which my slope is 4. Now, where did it go through the y-axis? It went through at 0, so my b value is 0. So, y equals 4x. The graph shows the total length Abby has knit depends on the number of nights she has spent knitting. So, again, we still have to find the rate of change. How far up did we go? We went up 20. How far across? Now be careful, we haven't looked down here. Oh, these are going up by tens. So the slope on this is going to be 20 over 10, which is 2. The b value is where it hits the y-axis, which is 60. Oh, it just wants the rate of change. So 2 centimeters per night. This one, we need to write an equation of the line. So y equals. So, right here. This goes up by 15. This goes up by 1. So my slope on this is 15. 15 over 1. And it wants the equation of the line. So that means that I need to find the b value. So I'm going to pick the point 316. So I'm going to plug it into y equals mx plus b. So this is 16 equals 15 times 3 plus b. 16 equals 45. Yeah. Plus b. Sorry, my brain. So that's going to come out to be a negative 29. 45 minus 16. Yes, negative 29 is equal to my b value. So the equation of the line would be 15x minus 29. Number 5. Okay, so I need to, it wants, oh, we're plugging in stuff. So I need a slope first. So I start at 18 and I'm coming down here. So I'm coming down. So I went down from 18 to 12, so that's negative 6. Going across. Yeah, we went 4 lines, but what does 4 lines stand for? Okay, that's a 1, so it went over 1. So my slope is going to be negative 6. My B value is going to be 18. Now, when I talk about slope, it says inches left to finish. So, starting off, she has 18 inches to finish. Okay? They're going by hours. So, she has, how is that she? What's her name? Jen. Jen has 6 less, because I need a negative, 6 less inches per hour. Number 6. Okay. Point here. I have a point here. It went from 120 to 100, so negative 20. Across, this gets me 0.8. So, sorry, I was thinking of something. Negative 20 over 0.8. I get 25. Miles. Oh, negative 22.5. Negative 25 miles per hour. Sorry. Per hour. Now this one's a weird one. In 1 second. And then they started at 120 miles per hour. Number 7. Diego is making a sandwich for a picnic. He uses 2 slices of cheese to make each sandwich, and he has a package with 24 slices each. Okay? So that's my slope. 2 slices per sandwich. Okay? His package of cheese has 24 slices. So he starts with 24. Okay? How many cheese? Oh, remaining. So that means each time he uses it, we would have 2 less. So y equals negative 2x plus 24.